welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia and you're watching Domestic Diva Cooking. Today we are going to be making a homemade smoked bacon. So I had picked up a pork belly at Costco and I have used some of it already in the recipe that I will link in the description box for you to check out. But I thought we're gonna try and make our own homemade bacon. So for this you will need some brown sugar as well as a coarse sea salt and some maple syrup. And you want to make a paste enough to cover all of the pork belly. So I'm going to use about 200 grams of brown sugar, so which is about a half a bag. And then about same amount of this salt. And then I'm going to pour some maple syrup, enough that it will give me a paste. I'm going to stir it up, see if I put enough. I think I need a bit more. And you want to use the real stuff. So I think that's pretty good. And now the next step is to rub it on. I know it does seem a little much, but you will be washing this off once you are done, once it went through the curing process. So now I'm going to put it in here. It's out of the camera's view. Move the thing.
I know, but I was just putting all this stuff on top of this.
There, and I'm just going to take the rest of the stuff and just add on to it. For how many? 7. And now I'm gonna put a lid on it and it will go into the fridge for 7 days. So it's been 7 days after turning it daily over, and now we are going to rinse it. So now it's in the smoker with apple wood chips, and it's going to be in here for about 3 hours. So it's done, and now we're just going to cook it on a frying pan just to try it out. So I just had a little piece and it tastes absolutely delicious. Definitely it will be hard to go back to store-bought stuff. Well, if you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, I would love it if you press the subscribe button and a notification bell so you don't miss out any of my future uploads. Until next time, hope you guys have a wonderful day, and thank you so much for watching.